making sure everything looks crisp and neat. It really adds value to the property as time goes on. A very good example of how to make more bang for your buck. So today at Blacksmith, we're going there to look at it. It's actually listed with someone else because I like to help and give back. I'm gonna go look at it and tell him what we feel like the property's worth so he prices it right. CJ and I have done a ton of work together. He entrusts me in my job and I entrust him in what he does. So it's a really good match, it's a really good fit. This property right here, when you look at it, they did an awesome bang up job on the inside, but then you look at the outside, it looks tired, it looks depressed. You should take the bushes down, take them out, put some mulch in here, make this thing pop. This one, right, looks like the investor did the smart thing and went over whatever was behind here with vinyl, so you got new vinyl siding. Let's take a look inside. Starting here in the living room, they took an old fireplace that was probably red brick, went ahead and whitewashed it, put a nice mantle on here. They put brand new hardwood floors in the property, used a nice butcher block here, and then went ahead with the granite countertops, electric stove, new fridge, new dishwasher, and then looking at this cabinetry right here, they're refaced existing cabinets that they painted. They added a really modern touch knobs, tons of uppers, tons of lowers. They put a beautiful subway tile there. Those touches that they added really help bring out more pizzazz to the kitchen. One of the big don'ts though, Mr. Investor, get rid of that chandelier. What they did here is they used the new dome lights, they used some modern lighting, brand new hardwood floors. They did nice quarter round on the floors and they're painting over the baseboard, making sure everything looks crisp and neat and clean. So one of the things with the raised ranch is you get a lot of below grade living space. It's a walkout basement. You have real windows, you have real doors. It really adds value to the property as time goes on because you have space that you can consider as living space. But again, really just nicely done for the neighborhood, for the location, for the price point. They did a really tasteful job with the renovation here. CJ has been not only a business partner of mine, but truly a friend of mine. Him and his wife have built a phenomenal business. The sky is the limit for both of them, and I'm excited to see kind of what's to come. And I'm more excited to see what we can do together.